In this video, I am going to walk you through how to add highlights on Instagram without posting on story. If you're looking to add highlights to your Insta but don't want to post them as a story, I am going to show you 2 different ways to do that. But just make sure to watch until the very end because this process might be a bit too complicated for some of you guys, and if you skip certain parts of the video, you might not get the desired outcome. So without any further ado, let's jump right in. So first of all, let's go ahead and open up our Instagram app over here. You actually have to post a story to do this, but we're going to tweak some settings so that no one can see your story. So let's go ahead and add a story. I am simply going to swipe right. So when you are on this screen, what you want to do is tap on this gear icon at the top left corner, and then tap on a story. Then you want to tap on Hide Story From, and then you want to select everybody on this list. Basically, we are hiding the story from all of our followers so that only you can see it. This process can be tedious if you have thousands of followers, but later in the video I will show you another way to add highlights without posting it as a story. So I am simply going to pick something random for the example, and now I can post that, and let's wait a couple of seconds for that to post. And then I can open that up and now I can simply tap on highlight to add this as a highlight. So after you have done this process and you have added this as a highlight, you may want to go back and unhide that for future stories. So this will only show up as a highlight and nobody will know you added this as a story. So now for the second method, go back and swipe right to add a story, then tap on this gear icon, then select story. Then tap on Close Friends. And then choose one specific account. If you have multiple accounts, this method is best for you, so select just one single account. I am simply going to select an account that I have access to, so this is basically me. And then tap on Done. So let's go back. And then I am going to select something random from the gallery, and then I am just going to post that. When you are doing it like that, only you can see the posted story because the account that you selected is also you. And then tap on the highlight option, and that's basically it for this tutorial. If you have any questions about this process, just let me know in the comments section below. If not, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more content like this one. Thanks so much for watching. Have a good day.